I am going to teach you about your role as a housekeeping team member, in case of any fire in the hotel. As a housekeeping team member, you are the eyes and ears of the hotel for any emergency. If you notice any smoke, activate the fire alarm by pulling the nearest manual call point. This will alert the hotel emergency team, who will come and check the source of the alarm. Next, you call the emergency hotline number for your hotel and inform the emergency team. If possible, restrict guests and other team members from the fire area. Evacuate others and yourself from there to a safe area. Do not open any windows, in fact close them, and close any open doors if you see that as well. Remember, in case of a fire, your job is to prevent loss of life first. However, remember, you can prevent fire by reporting unsafe hazards and practices to your supervisor. When working with flammable chemicals, always take precautions to ensure you follow all instructions. Your hotel depends on you to keep everyone safe. Attend all fire drills and learn how to use the fire extinguisher so that you can use it in case of any emergency. See something, say something. If you are alert, you can save a life. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do that and keep learning about how to succeed in a hotel.